Time to wash you.
Into the washing machine.
What's that smell?
Ew.
Oh. We need to bathe her.
A special bag.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow. And here's a dress.
Oh, how beautiful you are.
So clean.
If you like this video, smash the like button. Next video.
Hello, Stacy. Let's go play in the street.
Cartoons.
Buenos noches, señora.
Cartoons.
Stacy, help me. They're crying.
All right.
She's sick, Stacy.
They just need to be turned off. That's it. Just turn off. That's it. Cartoons.
Brush my hair. Brush me.
Dad, don't be a baby.
Please.
Well, okay, just fast. Is it all?
What a tasty ice cream. I have to end it. Now, I'll cut off the internet.
Daddy? Daddy, it's not funny. Dad, where are you?
Yes.
Let me help you.
Yes, let's. Wow.
Now we'll be slime. Oh, it's blue.
You did it? Wow, what a beautiful color.
It's slimy. Oh, slimy slime.
Hello? I'm busy. I'm playing with my daughter.
What is it? How do I look?
Beautiful.
Now I go to bed. Guys, don't watch cartoons too much. It is better to play with your parents. Do you agree, Dad?
Huh? Yes, yes.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Next video.
We made it!
Woohoo! Wow!
Wow.
It's my room. It's mine.
And where am I gonna sleep? I'll go look for a room. And what is this? I'll sleep here. Where are you going? Let's go.
He must go to the jail.
What for?
You mustn't throw garbage because littering is prohibited.
Na 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 na. Ow! Oh no!
Hello?
Let's go! Stacy! 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 Pull from here, Stacy. Pull, pull. Good job. Yippee! Bye-bye!
Next video. Dad! No!
Okay, I'll change it now. This? This? This?
No, no, no!
Oh, idea.
Here.
Mmm. No.
Ow.
It's uncomfortable. Fantastic.
Here.
Thank you. Really, it's uncomfortable.
Here, take it.
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Oh no!
Gimme, 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 gimme.
Run!
Say hi. Hello.
Here, look. Here, take it.
But I don't like red pillow.
Here, take it.
Yes. Well, how to sleep on this?
Ow!
Well, bring some more. Aha. Stay where you are. Listen, you have committed a crime. You are under arrest.
Uh-oh.
Okay, you're free to go. Get out. No. Lie down, Daddy. Sorry, Dad. Have a rest. I realized that I was misbehaving. I shouldn't behave like that. Next video. I'm a big girl. Hello, tell me.
Stacy, we need your help. Quickly, to the base.
Okay. Duty calls, go! Let's find out who needed help.
Help me. Help me.
Let's go! Hold on, I'm coming. Yay! Phew, it's time to eat. Let's go back! Hello, who's this?
Stacy, can you help again?
Yes. Well, who's in trouble? Help me. Help me. Wait! I will save you. Wait me. Just sit here for a while. Done! It's time to eat! Wow!
Help me! Help me!
I will save you! Give up! It's police! You are under arrest! Go to jail!
Well, all right.
Come on! Get in, hurry! Well done!
Ow!
Hey, you're free to go! Good job, Stacy! Presents! I found it! Yay! Yay! Don't forget to put like. Next video!
Oh my God! Oh no!
Uh-oh. I'll call Stacy. Hello? Stacy! Help me, please! Get here quickly! Help me, please!
Dad!
I need your help!
I will save you. Oh, Masha. I'm here. Let's go. Go! Ah! Wait for me. I'm going.
Come here! Come here! Oh no!
Batman. I know what to do. This one!
Who? A princess?
Yay! It worked!
Easy.
Thank you so much.
What? Superman? Princess, of course. Next video. Good morning. La 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 la.
I want to eat.
Yes. We need to take a walk. Hey, come in. Fasten your seat belt. So, let's go.
Yeah. Fooled you.
Haha, let's change.
Let's change. Let's go.
Go.
Wow, so cool.
No.
No? Well, okay.
My sweetie. Wow, I feed the kangaroo. Carrots for the camel.
Can you reach?
Thank you very much.
And this is for guts.
Here, take this.
Boo! You must wash your hands every day.
Wash your hands, even if you're lazy. Wow! I found it!
And I found a strawberry. Look, look, look.
Ah.
Carrot!
Carrot.
Orange!
Ah,
Give it to me! Gimme, gimme, gimme! Watermelon!
look at this.
I have the same size. Check this out. Hup, hup, hup.
Uh-oh. Oh, no!
This is my watermelon. Well, take a piece. My watermelon is tastier.
Let's go!